Do you know why Cameroon is called Pepper Nation? Cameroon is called the Pepper Nation because of a unique mix of history, culture, cuisine, and football spirit. The name is symbolic, not official, and it comes from 5 main reasons. 1. Abundance of pepper and spices. Cameroon produces and uses many types of pepper, especially Penja pepper, world famous, grown near Mount Cameroon. Hot local peppers used in traditional dishes like ndoli, iruachu, and pepper soup. Cameroonian food is known across Africa for being bold, spicy, and hot, hence the pepper identity. 2. Volcanic soil from Mount Cameroon. The volcanic soil around Mount Cameroon is extremely fertile and ideal for growing high-quality pepper. This is why Penja pepper has international recognition and is used by top chefs worldwide. 3. Football, the indomitable lion's pepper. In Cameroon, people say, "We give pepper," meaning energy, aggression, and fearlessness. Cameroon's national football team is famous for physical strength, speed, and attacking play, shocking big teams in world tournaments. Their style is described as hot and unpredictable, just like pepper. 4. Language and attitude. In Cameroonian slang, pepper equals intensity, confidence, boldness. A pepper man is strong, fearless, and lively. Cameroonians are known for being energetic, direct, resilient under pressure. 5. The Cameroon flag. The Cameroon flag has the 3 colors of pepper, which is green, red, yellow, which give the true definition of Pepper Nation. Its food is hot. Its soil produces world-class pepper. Its football is fiery. Its people are bold and energetic.